So you've probably been on YouTube and you've seen screenshots like this from different YouTubers claiming to make tons of different money with affiliate marketing online. But what you don't realize is that these YouTubers have hundreds of thousands of followers. So how can somebody make money with affiliate marketing without any kind of following? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 affiliate marketing strategies that don't require any followers or an audience. And in fact, all of these affiliate marketing strategies that I'm going to be showing you are all organic traffic strategies, so you don't need to have any money to pay for traffic. And also, it's perfect for beginners, so you don't have to have any experience for the methods that I'm about to show you. So the first affiliate marketing strategy is leveraging YouTube with SEO search traffic. If you're familiar at all with YouTube, you'll notice that when you type in something to the search bar, this drop down shows up, and this actually gives you the most search terms around your keyword on YouTube. And for this strategy, we're going to be leveraging YouTube as our traffic source, and we're going to be creating review videos on certain products. Let me show you one of my channels that has done this in the past. This is one of my other channels. It's called Dave Dill, and this channel has a bunch of different reviews of software products that I have done in the past. And as you can see, they don't get very many views on each one of these videos, but these videos have made me a lot of money. So in order to do this, first off, you have to find different kinds of softwares and courses to do a review video on YouTube. So what we're going to do is head over to a website called muncheye.com. And this website is actually going to be a launch calendar for all kinds of different softwares and courses that are about to launch on the marketplace. And the main 2 marketplaces that these courses usually launch on are called Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So if you scroll down, you'll see that this course right here is called GamPays, and it's by a guy named Jason Fulton. So if you click on that, you can see more information about that course. So if I copy and paste this and we go back over to YouTube, you're going to actually see that people are already doing this kind of review for these different courses. So as you can see, here's one right here. 8 hours ago, somebody created a review. Someone created a review here 8 hours ago. So people are doing this method and they're finding success with promoting these courses and doing review videos on YouTube. The reason why this affiliate strategy works so well is because you don't need a lot of followers or subscribers in order to make this strategy work. As you can see here, I only have 182 subscribers, but I was able to rank videos for keyword plus review for all these different products and make money in the meantime. And this is another channel of mine that I did review videos and compilations of different outdoor gear. And as you can see, I only have 695 subscribers, but I also had 116,000 views on this video about tents. And I had 8,000 views on this review of a heater. And then I had over 9,000 views here for best tarp shelters. So as you can see, this strategy works and you don't need a lot of followers in order to rank on YouTube and make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate strategy number 2 is actually using TikTok. So many people are making money with affiliate marketing on TikTok using either the Amazon Associates affiliate marketing program or different one-off affiliate marketing programs that I'm going to show you how to find inside this part of the video. So let me just show you a few accounts that are doing this, including my own. So let me just go to my account here. And as you can see, I have over 8,000 followers, but all I do is upload helpful tutorials about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. And then I promote an affiliate product up in my bio. And this is actually working not only for me, but for other people. Let me show you another account called Twinkie Hustle. And they're actually making a lot of money on TikTok. As you can see here, they've made over $40,000 in 3 months, and all they do is upload short 7-second to 15-second videos on TikTok that are tutorials and teaching people how to make money online. And then they promote an affiliate marketing product inside of their bio. And if you're curious what product they are promoting to find the success, it's called Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an online marketing education system, and it's a huge affiliate product that's exploding on TikTok right now. In order to join this program, all you have to do is just take what's called the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, and I'll actually go ahead and leave a link down below this video if you're curious on how to become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. All you have to do is just click on that link and you can become an affiliate and start promoting the same product that Twinkie Hustle uses to make $40,000 in 3 months just by leveraging TikTok traffic and sending people to the link in their bio. And there's actually other ways to make money on TikTok using affiliate marketing, and you don't even have to show your face. So let me go ahead and show you a couple other accounts. So here is Hustle to Rich. And this account right here creates no-face videos on TikTok, and all they do is they show a screen presentation and record that screen presentation with an iPhone or an Android phone. And as you can see, they get thousands of views by doing this, and all they're doing is directing people to the link in your bio. And you can copy this exact formula in order to do no-face videos on TikTok and make money with this affiliate marketing strategy. And one more example is actually using Amazon affiliate marketing. This is exploding right now on TikTok. So I'm gonna go to an account called Sal Finds, and this is his account right here. He talks about different Amazon products that he finds. And as you can see, he doesn't actually show his face in these videos. He just shows himself actually using the different products, and then they actually go viral on TikTok. So here's 116,000 views, 400,000 views, 167,000 views, 440,000 views, and all he does is test different Amazon products on TikTok. Then if people find a product that they're interested in, he leads them to his bio, which contains this link right here. And this is going to contain all his Amazon affiliate links. And as you can see here, you can go to the home improvement section. So if we click on this, this is going to give all the home improvement affiliate links for his Amazon account. So if somebody actually clicks on one of these links, then Sal is going to be making money off the Amazon affiliate program. Now, the third affiliate marketing strategy that I want to show you, where you don't have to have any followers to begin with, is using Twitter affiliate marketing. Let me go ahead and show you my account right here. As you can see, I have 44.9 thousand followers on Twitter, and I do a lot of different affiliate marketing and promoting my own products on the Twitter platform. And it's actually yielded me some really good results. I've been able to make over $5,000 a month on Twitter just by promoting affiliate links inside of different tweets and promoting my own products. So how you do this is you start off by following large accounts inside of the Make Money Online niche. So if you're curious who those accounts are, you could actually just go to my following, and I follow a lot of the big names inside of the finance niche. And then what you do is you go to your home feed and you start commenting on those accounts that have more than 1,000 followers. So we find some tweet that has gone viral and we comment underneath that tweet in order to get followers on our own account. And it actually works really well. I did this at the beginning of my Twitter account, and that allowed me to hit 1,000 followers within 20 days. So here's an account right here. This is a tweet that's gone viral by Mind Haze. So what I would do is I would like this tweet and then I would comment on it, and I want to create a comment that directs people back to my bio. So this tweet reads, "Don't listen to what people say, watch what they do." So I'm going to create an engaging comment that leads people back to my bio. So I went ahead and I commented, "I started watching big accounts on Twitter. Now I've grown my account to 44,000 followers. It started by watching, which led to doing." So that's my account. And as you can see, I made myself the subject of this comment. So people are going to be interested in what I have to say and click on my profile, which leads back to my bio. So I would go ahead and hit reply, and I would do that about 20 to 30 times to get enough followers on my account so people start clicking on my affiliate links. And now you're probably wondering, well, what do I tweet about and how do I get people to click on my affiliate links using this strategy? So what I like to do is I like to go over to Twitter and I like to type in one of my favorite terms, which is affiliate marketing. So I click on that, and then I go ahead and I go to these three little dots here. I click on advanced search, I paste these in, and then I scroll down to the engagement section, and I want a minimum likes of 900 likes. That's going to give me viral tweet topics that I could use on my own account so that I could also go viral. So I'm going to hit the search button, and as you can see here, actually one of my tweets appeared at the top here, but here's another one that's not by one of my accounts. And as you can see, what we could do is we could copy the format of this tweet, change up the wording so that you're not stealing people's content, but use the general idea and the content so that you can go viral on your own account. And then what you do is after you've gone viral on your account, then you're going to go ahead and post your promotion underneath that tweet. So if we click on this one, you'll see that he actually is promoting an affiliate link right here. So he said, if you want to learn web design, I recommend this. And that's his affiliate link to a course that teaches web design. So the process works like this. You create a viral tweet using tweet content that's already gone viral on Twitter, and then you go ahead and post your affiliate link underneath that tweet. And that's going to get you the most amount of clicks and sales on that affiliate link. Another thing that's cool about Twitter is you can actually put your affiliate links inside of your bio. So if I edit my profile right here, you can see that I have different links in two different locations. So my first location is inside my bio, and then my second location is inside the website. And what I like to do, and this is kind of a hack, is I like to use the location tab right here to point down to my other link to get more clicks and more sales with affiliate marketing. So now you know 3 different affiliate marketing strategies which required no followers to begin with, and you can start making affiliate sales as soon as you start posting content. So you have YouTube, which you can use SEO to do review videos of different products. Then you have TikTok, which allows you to create simple 7 to 15 second videos promoting an affiliate product inside your bio. And then of course you have Twitter, which is one of my favorites, which allows you to tweet out affiliate links and get paid if you follow the strategy that I showed you inside of this video. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I recommend that you check out the link down below this video. That's going to take you to that Legendary Marketer program that I mentioned earlier in the video. You can become an affiliate for that program and start promoting it on these different platforms. It is one of the best and hottest affiliate marketing products on the market right now, and that's why I recommend it, because I got started with Legendary Marketer. I took that 15-day business builder challenge, and it allowed me to learn the skills in order to do affiliate marketing on social media. So go ahead and check out that link down below this video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing from me, go ahead and check out the other videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David. I create content about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So subscribe to the channel, and I will see you inside of the next video.